everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us.
I am excited to be an Enterprise University presenter.
How do you be an authentic, brave leader in today's world?
We're going to be talking about the ways that fraud can affect your businesses right now.
It's interesting to just think about how that's going to be impacting it going forward.
I created a guide for you to successfully transition into your new role.
Today's discussion is meant to help you link how good nutrition can help you be successful in your career.
What percentage of work in your organization do you estimate is actually done in teams?
I hope to see you at the class.
I hope you can join me. I look forward to learning from you.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Bardot and I'm with Enterprise Bank and Trust. I'm a business banker for Enterprise, so that means I focus on helping small businesses. I was invited here today to share with you a little bit about what I do at Enterprise, as well as what our bank is known for. We've been around for over 30 years, and we started focused just in the business space, helping small business and privately held businesses. We then pivoted and opened it up to both private banking and personal banking, as well as the business banking. My role at Enterprise is to help small businesses. So what that means is I get to really sit beside my prospects and clients and understand that the challenges that their business are currently having. And if that means an introduction in the bank to a line of credit or a credit card, or if that means a connection in the community, that's how I serve the small businesses within the St. Louis area. Enterprise is headquartered in Clayton, Missouri, but we also serve the states of Kansas and Arizona, New Mexico. We give back in our communities by providing free education courses through Enterprise University, which has now pivoted. With those used to be in person, and they're now accessible virtually. So EU is a kind of give back for our community held by experts in the field. And like I said, they are free. The topics vary anywhere from HR to marketing to even EQ. So check those out and you can enroll in those on our website. Our website has an array of services as well that you can kind of see what products that we offer, as well as resources. So if there's particular grants that you're interested in, we have a resource tab that has all of the grants that we've found during COVID. And we also have a tab that helps explain, things in financial literacy terms in regards to how to save for college, how to prepare for your retirement. In regards to financial literacy, we are very involved in our community by hosting workshops on that topic. I just had a conversation, a workshop that we put together just on credit not too long ago. So we can customize programs if there's a specific topic that you're trying to explore in. But Enterprise has services in regards to wealth management, private banking, like I mentioned earlier, 401k, business for both private businesses as well as commercial, larger companies as well. So our services that we offer is very expansive. But if there's any questions that you have, or if you just want to see if you would be eligible for a line of credit, or what the application would look like, or how to rebuild your credit, or what is your credit score, feel free to reach out and we can pair you with people at the bank who are willing to help you answer those questions. I can be found on LinkedIn as well as Facebook. My name again is Jennifer Bardot. On LinkedIn, my handle is actually Jennifer McDonald Bardot, and my email address is jbardot@enterprisebank.com. So thank you so much for tuning in, and feel free to reach out. Enterprise is a great community bank, and we're definitely involved in our community and giving back. We do that through volunteerism efforts, sponsorship. In 2019, we actually sponsored over 519 nonprofits in the areas that we serve. So if there's something that we can do and be of service in the financial space, happy to have those conversations. Thank you again.